the Bowder Stone for your delectation and delight. Today's micro expedition is to the Bowder Stone. Seems a little unclear exactly what the Bowder Stone is. Could be a glacial erratic, could just be a big lump of stone that fell off the mountain. But in any event, it is a curiosity and has been for a very long time. Last time I was here, I was doing slightly rotten wooden stairs, which I understand have now been replaced with fancy new metal ones. There you go, the Bowder Stone, in fact to the very top, and a puddle. Behind me is Castle Crag, and up behind you is King's How of Grangefell. It's not a particularly taxing walk, but it's worth a try. It's got a little summit as well, which is always fun. I'm not sure what the time machine is. Seems very exciting. There we go, the tiniest of tiny walks for you today. Thank you very much for watching, if indeed you still are. If you've enjoyed this, do please like and subscribe. And join us for another Wainwright walk sometime. Stay safe.